Netherlands. Used to have a house left into the mouse, but an old RV for Penelope. She's in 1983. When your little friends from the Netherlands, bad Penelope. Pat loves taking pictures and Pat has left design. Penelope loves driving till the end of time. Well, RV-licious, if you like a vibe, please subscribe, please subscribe. It's raining. We discovered the second leak. Is this all wet?
Another one. Yep.
And the other leak?
The other leak is over here. Wow. It's big. It's huge.
Get the bucket. The bucket. 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 Bucket here. Bucket. Okay. Leaky. I think we overpaid for this van. I think we overpaid. Now we know why the previous owner's wife said to the previous owner, let's go home quick before it's about to rain. When we bought it. But now we know why. We've got all kind of leaky spots also over here. You see? All leaky spots. Leaky. But also here's leaky spots. Here's leaking. Leaky spots. So yeah. Leaky. Ideal. I'm in the comfy chair. Guarding our solar panel. Behind the fly screen and the cat's tail, that gives a lot of privacy. If you really look closely, as in the far distance, who is that? Who is that?
It's me. It's me.
Mm. Looking good, Petra.
Smells good, buddies.
And so does the coffee.
Thank you. So, let's put it off. Well, buddies,
We're not
you
going
tell
anywhere.
them. We're not going anywhere.
We're not going anywhere.
It's, yeah, it's not a Mercedes, so that's for sure. Nope. Nope. It's completely dead. It sounds completely dead. So, we're stuck.
We're stuck. This is the starter battery. This starter battery. It doesn't do anything.
Nope, we're stuck.
So this is a home for the next
Many, many months.
many months.
Yeah. So, yeah. Nope.
It's completely drained.
Yeah. It sounds not good.
It goes completely to the red.
Yeah.
And I try to start it.
Well.
Which is not good, of course. We're poor. So it's completely drained.
Yep. It sure is.
I can try it like this, but
No. No.
Nothing.
Nothing happening. So, yeah. Well,
nothing.
nothing.
So
Yeah. Well,
we plan to drive and charge up the household battery, but
not gonna happen.
it's not gonna happen. We missed some Mercedes already. It started after months of not driving.
Yep.
And yeah, I mean, we could call roadside assistance or try to get a boost, but we'll have the same problem in a couple of days.
Yeah.
It sucks that we needed to get rid of the Mercedes. It sucks that we didn't have more money to buy a better van. So we bought something we can live in for the next 90 months. Not necessarily something we can drive in.
No.
It does feel a bit of unfortunate we cannot drive, because if there's an emergency.
Yeah. You cannot
But
go anywhere.
until there is an emergency, we'll just figure it out. But, it is what it is.
Yep.
So you have to walk to the grocery store.
Yes. You do. Well, yeah. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie.
Well, nice.
Back to
Yeah. Back to basics.
back to basics. Better part.
Yeah.
Build our
Oh.
sitting position.
Oh. What's happening?
We're getting an emergency alert.
Emergency
I was just talking about emergencies.
Well, with the parts. Oh.
It's an emergency. The nukes are coming.
No.
It says drive away,
No.
but we can't.
It's a test.
Oh, it's a test. Sorry.
Test message.
Test
It
message.
works. Yep.
Okay. No. Well, okay. So far,
Yeah.
our adventure. All the plans we had
No plans. Yeah.
fell in the water. Or no, not in the water, but all the plans we had. See, you cannot plan a van life. This is the proof.
Yeah.
So, on the upside, they cannot steal the van either. Oh yeah, unless you bring a trailer.
Then, yeah.
So yeah, okay.
Well. Okie dokie.
Toodly dokey.